Hi guys and welcome. What if we told you that there's a technology that could change your financial future? AI image is that technology, and in this video, we'll show you how to use it to create new revenue streams and unlock your earning potential.
Have you ever heard of Picture Perfect AI? It's a fantastic new AI avatar generator, changing the game for virtual assistants, customer service agents, and even personal companions. The state-of-the-art tool takes the hassle out of creating a customized, lifelike avatar that truly represents you or your brand. So how does it work? It's simple. You just upload your photos and choose from over 100 appearance options. Each style generates 8 unique avatars, meaning you'll have 200 to choose from. The result is a high-quality, diverse avatar that reflects your personality and style. But what sets Picture Perfect AI apart from other apps is its commitment to quality. They don't take shortcuts or rely on pre-existing models. Instead, they train their own models and run their GPU servers to ensure the best possible results. And the best part, they offer all of this at an affordable price. Now I know you're thinking, what about my privacy? Don't worry. Picture Perfect AI has got you covered. All user data is encrypted and deleted after 24 hours, so you can trust that your personal information is safe. To get the most out of Picture Perfect AI, it's recommended that you upload 10 close-ups of your face, 5 chest and up photos, 3 side profile photos, and 3 full body photos with different facial expressions, backgrounds, and minimal makeup. Make sure there's no nudity or excessive makeup in your photos. Payments are protected by AES 256 encryption and processed through Stripe, so you can have peace of mind when making your purchase. Picture Perfect AI supports JPG, PNG, WEBP, and AGIC photo formats, so you can use your preferred photo format. And the best part, the avatars you create with Picture Perfect AI are just the beginning. Once you have your avatar, you can use it in various ways to enhance your online presence. For example, you can use your avatar as a virtual assistant to handle routine tasks like responding to emails or scheduling appointments. You can also use it as a customer service agent to provide quick and efficient customer support. And if you're feeling lonely, your avatar can even be a personal companion to keep your company. Picture Perfect AI is constantly improving and updating its technology so that you can expect even more features and options in the future. In a few years, your avatar might even be able to interact with others in real time. The possibilities are endless. One thing's for sure, Picture Perfect AI is a game changer. It's making the virtual world more accessible and more personalized than ever before. Whether you're a business owner, a virtual assistant, or just someone who wants to enhance your online presence, Picture Perfect AI is the tool for you. So what are you waiting for? Get started on creating your very own AI avatar today and join the ranks of those who are revolutionizing the virtual world. Have you heard about DreamPeak AI yet? It's a fantastic platform that lets you turn your ordinary photos into personalized works of art. And the best part, it's all done through artificial intelligence. Here's how it works. First, upload 10-30 photos of yourself, or someone else if you want, to the platform. Then you pick from a wide range of styles, including everything from celebrities to art deco, from African shamans to comic soccer players. You can suggest your custom style if you have a specific vision. Once you've picked your style, the DreamPeak AI platform uses advanced technologies like Stable Diffusion and DreamBooth to train a neural network on your photos. This creates a model that can generate new images in your chosen style. And trust me, the results are excellent. So what can you do with these personalized images? Well, the sky's the limit. You can download and share the photos on social media, use them as your new profile picture, or even use them for commercial purposes. And because the platform is fee-based, you can be sure that your photos and information are kept safe and secure. Now I know you might be thinking, but what if I want to try a different style later? Don't worry, DreamPeak AI has got you covered. You can reuse or download the trained model and create images in as many different styles as you like. The possibilities are endless. And that's not all. DreamPeak AI is constantly adding new styles to its list, so you'll always have options. Whether you're into futuristic cyberpunk, vintage steampunk, or the latest pop art trends, you'll find it all here. And if you don't, suggest a new style, and who knows, it might end up being the next big thing. Another great thing about DreamPeak AI is that you can create images of anyone you like. Maybe you have a friend who always wanted to be a comic soccer player, or perhaps you have a family member who wants to see themselves as a Greek deity. With DreamPeak AI, you can make those dreams a reality. So whether you're an artist, a creative mind, or just someone who wants to have fun, DreamPeak AI is the perfect platform. With its easy-to-use interface and cutting-edge technology, you'll be able to turn your ordinary photos into extraordinary works of art in no time. So if you're looking for a fun and unique way to express yourself or want some creative severe fun, DreamPeak AI is the perfect platform. Try it out today and see what amazing images you can create. Wow, Photo AI sounds like an excellent and unique tool. I can understand why you're excited to tell your friends about it. Let me tell you a bit more about what makes Photo AI stand out. Photo AI uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence algorithms to create new images based on your 10 photos. This means you can get a wide variety of pictures based on your style and preferences. The photos are not just randomly generated, they are generated based on the features and patterns the AI has learned from your photos. And the best part is that the process is speedy and efficient. You can expect to receive your new images within 24 hours of submitting your order. That's much faster than scheduling a photo shoot and waiting for the photos to be processed. And let's talk about the different available styles. With Photo AI, you can choose from a wide range of styles, including professional, trout, Polaroid, pop, royal, movie, celebrity, and man packages. There's something for everyone, whether you want a classic professional look, a fun and quickie Polaroid style, or a pop culture-inspired meme. And the pricing is affordable too. With packages starting at just $15 for 30 photos, you can get a deal on high quality. You can get a great deal on high-quality AI-generated images. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try out one of the unique photo packs, such as the LinkedIn pack, Tinder pack, Celebrity pack, or Man pack. These packs are priced from $19 to $25 each, allowing you to choose a specific background and get images tailored to your needs. It's also worth noting that Photo AI is currently in beta testing, which means that the technology is still experimental and there is a possibility of unexpected results and artifacts. However, the site is constantly updating its resources, and they are working to improve the processing times, which may be a little longer due to higher than normal demand. One thing that sets Photo AI apart from other photo editing tools is that it's powered by artificial intelligence. This means it can analyze your photos and create new images based on what it has learned. This gives you a vast variety of images to choose from, all of which are based on your style and preferences. Another advantage of using Photo AI is the speed and efficiency of the process. You can expect to receive your new images within 24 hours of submitting your order, which is a lot faster than traditional photo studios. And with pricing starting at just $15 for 30 photos, you can get a great deal on high-quality images that are perfect for your needs. Of course, as with any technology, still in the experimental stage, there may be some unexpected results and artifacts. However, the Photo AI team is constantly updating its resources and improving the technology to deliver the best possible results. And if you're not completely satisfied with your images, they offer a risk-free service so that you can feel confident in your purchase. And let's remember the fun aspect of Photo AI. With so many different styles, you can get quirky and fun images or classic and professional ones. Whether you're looking for a new profile picture, an avatar, or just some fantastic photos to share with your friends, Photo AI has you covered. So there you have it, a more detailed look at Photo AI and all the fantastic things it offers. Whether you're looking for a new profile picture, a unique avatar, or just some fun and quirky images, Photo AI is worth checking out. Epic Avatar is a company that revolutionizes how people think about profile images. With its advanced artificial intelligence technology, Epic Avatar allows users to create their very own AI avatars from their photos. This is not just any ordinary avatar, but an AI-powered representation of yourself that is unique and unlike anything you've seen before. The process is simple and user-friendly. All you need to do is upload 15-20 photos of yourself, taken from different angles and without sunglasses, and Epic Avatar's AI algorithms will do the rest. These photos will be used to train the AI model and create up to 200 avatars that are based on your facial and body features, personal preferences, and other elements in the photos. The waiting time is around 24 hours, and once the process is completed, you will receive an email with a link to download your avatars. With these avatars, you can have fun and play around with your online presence. You can use them to personalize your social media profiles, prank your friends, or even use them as profile images in multiplayer games. The resulting avatars are not just your typical profile images. They are an expression of your individuality as interpreted by the AI, and they can be as quirky, funny, and weird as they come. Some users might even find that their avatars look nothing like them, but that's all part of the fun. It's like taking a peek into the mind of the AI and seeing how it interprets your personality. Epic Avatar offers a money-back guarantee for users who are not satisfied with the results, but most people find that the avatars are genuinely one of a kind. The company also provides tutorials and answers to frequently asked questions on its website to help users get the most out of the tool. The avatars created by Epic Avatar are not just for personal use. They can be used to personalize your social media profiles, to prank your friends, or as profile images in multiplayer games. The sky's the limit when it comes to using these avatars. David Grahovy and Václav Popušek are the co-founders of Epic Avatar, and they are based in Brno, Czech Republic. The company uses Prime Hammer technology and can be contacted via email or Instagram. Currently, there is no affiliate program in place, but the company is considering implementing one. In conclusion, Epic Avatar is a fascinating AI and graphics technology experiment. It offers users a chance to see themselves in a whole new light and to explore the limits of what is possible with AI. Whether you're looking for a fun new profile image or simply curious about the capabilities of AI, Epic Avatar is the perfect tool for you. So why not try it and join the future of profile images today? Have you heard about Sewalo, the artificial intelligence-based image recognition platform? It's the perfect solution for all pet owners who want to learn about their furry friends. It's got 3 amazing apps: the dog scanner, the cat scanner, and the horse scanner. As you probably already know, pet owners often have no idea what breed their furry friends are. But with Sewalo, you'll get accurate and specific information about your pet in seconds. And it's not just for pure breeds. The AI technology used in these apps is so advanced, it can identify mixed breeds too. The dog scanner and cat scanner apps have already been installed more than 13,700,000 times, and the company identifies an average of 1.9 million animals each month. That's pretty impressive. The horse scanner is a new addition to the product portfolio and is expected to receive just as much love as the other two. Sewalo's ultimate goal is to achieve universal recognition of animals and increase knowledge about global biodiversity. That's why it has partnered with Snapchat, so users can now identify dog breeds directly from the Snapchat camera. So far, the feedback from users has been overwhelmingly positive. They love the app's accuracy and ease of use. And with the new social feed feature, pet owners can share their discoveries with the community and connect with other pet owners. Sure, let me add a little more detail to make it even more enjoyable. Have you ever been to dog park and wondered what breed that cute pup playing with your dog is? Or have you ever seen a horse and wondered what breed it is or what its characteristics and traits are? Well, now you can find it out. With Sewalo, you can identify any animal with just a few taps on your smartphone. It's that easy. Sewalo's top-notch AI technology can identify a pet's breed in real time. This means you won't have to wait long to find out what breed your furry friend is. The app can identify mixed breeds, which can be a real challenge for even the most experienced pet owners. Not only is Sewalo an accurate tool for identifying pet breeds, but it's also designed to be user-friendly. The app is simple to use and the interface is intuitive. This means that even those who are not tech-savvy can use the app with ease. Pet owners can also connect with other pet owners through the social feed feature. You can share your pet's breed information and photos and connect with other pet owners who have pets of the same breed. This is a great way to find out more about your pet's breed and connect with other pet owners who share your interests. Sewalo is a fantastic solution for pet owners who want to learn about their furry friends. With its 3 apps, Dog Scanner, Cat Scanner, and Horse Scanner, you'll get accurate breeding information in seconds. And the social feed feature allows you to connect with other pet owners. It's the perfect tool for increasing global biodiversity knowledge and achieving universal animal recognition.